Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Loop board game. To begin, understand that your main goal is to gather more energy crystals than anyone else by the game's end. First, unbox your game board, 4 unique player pawns, and 24 shimmering energy crystals. Each player selects a pawn and places it on their designated starting space. Then, carefully distribute the 24 energy crystals evenly across the board's marked locations, preparing for an exciting journey. During your turn, you will first move your pawn across the board. You can advance your pawn 1, 2, or 3 spaces, choosing any direction you wish, including diagonally. After moving, you must perform one action. This could be collecting an energy crystal from the space you landed on, or activating a special ability of that board space. Remember to plan your moves carefully to maximize your crystal collection and strategic advantage. Beyond basic movement and collection, the Loop board features several special spaces that offer unique advantages. Landing on these can grant you bonus moves, allow you to swap crystals, or even block opponents. Scoring is straightforward. Each energy crystal you possess at the game's conclusion is worth 1 point. The game reaches its exciting finale once all 24 energy crystals have been successfully gathered from the board, signaling the time for final scores. To emerge victorious in the Loop board game, simply be the player who has accumulated the highest number of energy crystals. Success often comes from smart planning and adapting to the ever-changing board. Try to anticipate your opponent's moves and position yourself to grab key crystals. With its simple rules and engaging strategy, Loop offers endless fun and encourages players to refine their tactics with every playthrough. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.